Okay, is that what she said? Right, okay, we're just going to do what you've done before. We're going to film it so you get a chance to look back at what you've done. So, just exactly as we've done it until now. Yeah? You ready? Okay, quiet everybody.
Then I'll whack you when you finish. You just see if I
Oh,
don't.
sorry, hold on a second. Can you just move, bring yourselves around a little, because you're standing in front of her on the camera. I want to see your faces. Although it might make me a bit mad.
Then I'll whack you when you finish. You just see if I don't. Your workhouse threat. I'm Mr. Noah Claypole, and you're under me.
Come near the fire now. I've saved you a nice bit of bacon for Max as breakfast.
Hi there.
Yeah!
Alright, okay, everybody out, please. Just leave your bags. Shazad, leave that. Let's go. Come on. Come on, quickly. Alright, don't mess about. Come on. Everybody out.